Hi Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 9th of January. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign that I do the video for. So let's go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. Now, the first card that I see for you is Six of Swords, 10 of Wands, and 8 of Swords. Person B here has 9 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, and 9 of Wands. Now, bottom of the deck, I have 6 of Wands, which means the victory card. So either you or both of you want victory in this situation, but you will have to work so that you get victory. Okay, it will not happen if you don't put in any action there. You will have to put in that effort, and only then you will see some kind of victory in this situation. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have 6 of Swords, which means you may find something to be a burden. It could be this relationship, it could be something that is impacting this relationship, or it could be your personal life also. Something where something has become a burden and you would like to let go of that particular situation or that person. The second card for you is 10 of Wands. Again, this means suppression, anxiety. You feel stressed out. So there is something which is happening right now in your life which is causing you a lot of stress, because your third card also is 8 of Swords, which means that you feel stressed out, you feel anxiety, and because of that you're also feeling as if things are just out of control. Now, for very few of you, there could be a situation where you have done something and because of which you have that inner guilt that what you have done is not correct. Okay, and that's why you're going through this process, because right now, if that's the case for you, karma has hit you. Okay, and it has made you realize that you did something which was not ethical. Now again, this is not for all of you, it is for some of you who have done something wrong. It could also be a very generic case where you just stressed out about certain things which is happening in your life. Now, for person B, your partner, the first card is 9 of Pentacles, which means a single independent energy. This person is single, independent, and doing really good for themselves, and that's something a lot of people notice. The second card for them is 6 of Pentacles. That's the sharing card. It could be possible that this person is sharing their time, money, resources with a second person. And the third card here is 9 of Wands, which means they are also stressed out and exhausted about a particular situation. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you. The first card is 9 of Swords, 6 of Swords, and 4 of Wands. 9 of Swords means stress, okay, anxiety, sleepless nights. 6 of Swords means you want to walk away towards calmer waters. And with 4 of Wands, that's the 11-11 card, which is the marriage commitment card. So there could be a situation with regards to marriage or commitment where you're stressed out, something which is causing a lot of stress and anxiety, and for the time being you think that it's best to just step back, let things calm down a little bit, and then maybe you'll come back and maybe discuss things over. Now let's see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. Now, if you are in your comfort zone, then it's the time that you go ahead and step out of your comfort zone so that things work for you. Now we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you out. So the crystal that I see for you is Solicitite. The crystal message is, are you trying to process a lot of information? Take the time to sort out all that is happening. Write it in your journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Recall your thoughts and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness, and spiritual growth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Gabriel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.